Hi everyone, Julia here, and today, or right now, I'm doing a video because of Tesla because they just reported their earnings as market closed. And honestly, I feel like today, how market wrapped up and what's going on after market hours, the best day of the week just pulled up. Honestly, there is a whole lot that is happening right now with the stock market. So let me just show us something. Okay, let's look at this information. So Tesla reported their earnings. They actually had disappointing earnings, but look at what happened. This is plus 10. Market closed at $237.97. But look at what happened after market hours. This stock pulled up. It's currently around $250. That's adding 12.83, meaning that about 5.3% or 5.4% has been added. Now let's look at what they had reported. Okay, I like to go through to show you what has happened. Um, so look at all this news. They reported their earnings, their result falls short, but the stock rises. So let's look at some of them, okay? Let's look at this. So this is from Men's Journal. Tesla makes major moves amidst stock volatility. So this is them announcing that they are moving full speed ahead into the robotaxi and the humanoid robot production. So a lot of things happened in their earnings reports. But the truth is that these stocks started pulling up. That's what I wanted us to have conversation around. So I want to see who actually showed us the real figures. So earnings on transcript. Tesla's Q1 2025 result falls short, but the stock rises. Now I love this. Let me see if I can see. Oh, great. This is what I was looking for. So Tesla reported their Q1 2025 earnings. They actually missed earnings per share and their revenue forecast. So they actually posted 0.27, falling short of 0.42 forecast. And then they reported an earnings of 19.34 billion. Meanwhile, what they expected to do was 21.4 billion. So honestly, like I said, they gave a disappointing earnings report. But this is what happened. Despite the misses, Tesla stock surged 9.94% after market trading, closing $250, up from the previous close of 227. So their market capitalization right now is $763 billion. So this is amazing. These are the key takeaways. And why am I showing you this? Let me quickly see what this. Okay, this is also by trading view. They're also talking about what we just mentioned. So their earnings per share is 0.27. They missed it because their estimate was 0.43. Their revenue was 19 billion against 21. So they're actually minus 9% currently. But I want to take us into the chart. Okay, let's quickly look. This is what happened. They reported that earnings shot up a little, dropped down to 232, and then ran to 256 before sellers brought it down, and it has hovered around here. It is stuck here. Let's see what will happen when market opens tomorrow morning, because at the time I'm doing this recording, it is after market hours. But I want to show you the ripple effect of what has just happened because of these Tesla moves. Let me show you some of the other stocks and how this has been impacting other stocks. Let me just go up so that we can see. So this is Apple. You can see that Apple moved from 198, or 199 and ran to 205. Look at the ripple effect of what Tesla moves had done. Then let's look at Amazon. Amazon was around 173. This is a stock I kept telling people buy around 165, 167. Look at the move from 160. Look at it yesterday, maybe 2 days ago. This stock was around 165. Can you see that? And see what is going on. Due to this effect of Tesla, this stock has run up to 179. Look at this beautiful move. Look at this beautiful move. So we're going to see what will happen when market opens. Another stock that I love, from 98 to 104. Amazing, amazing moves. Coupled with the fact that Bitcoin is also flying high. Bitcoin is rocketing. Hey, Bitcoin, see the move. Market opened around 89 or 88. Look at this move. Ran to 91, ran to 94. I'm super excited. I really pray that this pull up continues because market has been down for such a long time. It does not mean that it won't come down again. See, the cheap can always get cheaper. But I just want you to see the opportunities that this has created. Look at CleanSpark, which is a Bitcoin stock, closed around $8 and 77 cents and ran to $9.14. This is amazing. This small move, this stock was around $7. Oh. Even today, it touched $7.68. Imagine that you had 1,000 shares of this, would have made $1,000 plus with this short, small move. So if you know what you're doing in the market, you would understand. Coinbase literally jumped from 170. Look at it, from 170 to 193. This is amazing, including the ETF. So yeah, a lot of stocks are doing well. Let me look at one of my favorites, Palantir. Palantir has done so well. Palantir came down to $90 some days ago. And look at this move, has taken Palantir from 93 to 98. Most likely when market opens tomorrow, this stock may likely hit $100. But let's see. Let's not be in a hurry because we don't know exactly what's going to happen tomorrow. It may be a bull trap, meaning that all stocks will pick up, and when market opens, it will just start selling off. Well, that is just for you to get prepared. I do not like to predict the future. I prefer to prepare myself so that I will know exactly what is going to happen. Now let's look at this. Look at SPY. SPY was thought, in fact, came into 408 here before 90 something some days ago. 508 here. Let's see. I just hope. Okay, 508. Touched 508. In fact, at some point I was worried if it will touch 480 something. 508. So, and now it has it reached a high of 529 today when market opened, and then ended at 527. Okay, now look at this jump from 527 to 537, a whole $10 move. This is amazing. So the reason I'm doing this video is just to show you that there are opportunities every day in the market. Yes, markets may be down because let's look at this on the daily time frame. You see that this has really dropped from 600 down to 500. But the truth is that all these moves, you see the 481, all these moves are creating opportunities. So a lot of institutions like banks, big billionaires are buying this stock around this area, buying here. They are loading up so that when this stock goes back to 550 to 600, they would make a whole lot of money. What I'm trying to say in effect is please join a community, learn and get a one-on-one support so that someone can tell you, okay, this is when to buy this stock, this is when you can sell, you can take some of your profit, you can sell everything. Of course, this is not a financial advice, it is for you to see what is going on and then leverage on this opportunity to make your money work for you, leveraging the stock market. And I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I'll see you in the next video.